Welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer A, well done. If you'd like to hear my explanation of how I found the answer, please continue watching. So we've got an uncharged capacitor connected to a power supply which supplies a constant current of 10 microamps, and after 100 milliseconds the potential difference across the capacitor is 5 kilovolts. What is the capacitance of the capacitor? Well, let's think of equation I'm going to use to come up with my final answer, and that is capacitance is equal to the charge over potential difference. Well, I've got my potential difference. I now need to find my charge. Well, luckily we're told there's a constant current of 100 microamps running for 100 milliseconds. So I can use the equation that charge is equal to current multiplied by time. Now, that means my charge is going to be equal to my constant current, which is 10 times 10 to the minus 6 amps, multiplied by the time, which is 100 milliseconds, or 100 times 10 to the minus 3 seconds. That gives me a charge of 1 times 10 to the minus 6 coulombs. I can now put that charge into this equation and divide it by my potential difference, which is 5 kilovolts, or 5 times 10 to the 3 volts, and I'm going to get a capacitance of 2 times 10 to the minus 10, whoops, let's make sure that looks like a 0, minus 10 farads. Answer A. I hope you found this useful. Please subscribe, please share, and please watch more of them in the series.